Hey everyone, it's Shane from Gotta Go Orlando. Well, Walt Disney World have done it again. So if you're a foodie and you want to know what new Halloween treats have just dropped, you'll need to stick around for this video. Starting October the 1st, the culinary teams at the theme parks and Disney resort hotels will be putting flavorful spells on you with even more fantastic delights for you to sink your teeth into. Tasty treats and sinister sweets. From the adorable new Mike Wazowski pop at the Gasparilla Island Grill to the can't miss return of the pumpkin patch cookie at Disney's Hollywood Studios. There's plenty of Halloween items to keep you satisfied all season long. And if you haven't seen the eats and sips already available at Walt Disney World Resort, here's a video above right now. So let's dive right into this foodie guide. So we're going to start off with Disney Resort Hotels. And the first resort hotel on the map is Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Head into the Mara and this item is available October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available, and you'll be getting your hands on the Black Cat Tart. This is a carrot cake topped with orange caramel, toasted coconut and pumpkin cheesecake. It's new to the menu and sounds super delicious. Now we're heading over to the Disney's Beach Club Resort. Head right into the Beach Club Marketplace. The items here are available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. Both items are new to the menu. The first item is Captain Hook's Cookie, vanilla sable with strawberry jam, peanut butter ganache, buttercream and chocolate decor. And the second item is Ursula Tart. This is a vanilla tart filled with spice cake, chocolate ganache, blackberry pearls, blackberry mousse and chocolate decor. Now we're going to head into the Beaches and Cream Soda shop, and the item here is available from October the 1st through to the 31st. And here you'll get your first drink of this foodie guide, and it's the Butter Pecan Pumpkin Shake. This is made up with butter pecan ice cream with pumpkin flavouring, caramel and chocolate sauce, and a vanilla cupcake decorated like a Mickey pumpkin with sprinkle decor. The next resort is Disney's Boardwalk Inn, and we're going to head straight into the Boardwalk Deli and Carousel Coffee. The items here are available from October the 1st through to the 31st. Mobile ordering is available at the Boardwalk Deli only. The first item is a Halloween Half Moon cookie, and it's new to the menu. This is wrapped in orange and black icing and a not so hidden Mickey decor. Then we have the Creepy Cupcake. This is a vanilla cupcake with blood orange curd filling, vanilla whipped ice cream, chocolate cookie crumbs and spooky sugar pumpkins. And the final item at this location is the Boo Brownie. This is a Mickey shaped brownie topped with ganache and buttercream ghost. Now we're heading to our next resort, which is the Disney's Contemporary Resort. And you'll want to head straight into the Contempo Cafe for these two new items. Mobile ordering is available. The first item is a caramel apple sugar cookie. This is available from the 1st through to the 30th of October. Then the next item I'm super excited about is the Haunted Mansion Eclair. This eclair is filled with caramel apple mousse topped with chocolate caramel ganache with Haunted Mansion edible spooky images. This item is available from October the 1st through to the 31st. Next we're heading to the Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Head into the Gasparilla's Island Grill. The items here are available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. The first item on the menu at this location is the Mike Wazowski Pop. This is a confetti cake enrobed in green chocolate and Mike's big round eye. Surely it's too cute to eat, and it's new to the menu. The second item at this location is the S'mores Ghost Tart. This is a graham cracker tart shell filled with ganache, milk chocolate mousse, topped with marshmallow ghosts. This is new to the menu. The third item at this location, it has to be the most impressive looking dessert, and it's called the Not So Poison Apple. This is a chocolate cauldron filled with apple spice cake, apple filling and caramel buttercream topped with an apple mousse. This is new to the menu. Definitely a good one for them Instagram photos. Then the final item at this location is the Mini Mousse Witch Hat Cupcake. This is a cookies and cream filled chocolate cupcake enrobed with ganache, Our next resort on this spooky foodie guide is Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. And you'll need to head into the Trails End restaurant for these treats. Available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. And the first item is the pumpkin sugar cookie. This is a tie-dyed Halloween sugar cookie with buttercream, and it's new to the menu. Then the next item is the spooky mini cookies and dipping cream. These are Halloween sugar cookies with a dipping icing, and it's new to the menu. So now we're going to head over to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Head to the Kona Island for the first item, which is available October the 1st through to the 31st, and you'll find a vampire stitch cake. This is a chocolate cake, raspberry ice cream and buttercream. This is new to the menu, and it's one of them photogenic desserts. It just looks awesome. The next item is located at the Pineapple Lanai and is available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and it's the not so scary pumpkin soft serve. This is a pumpkin spiced flavoured soft serve and coconut haupier with a caramel drizzle, graham cracker crumbs and a white chocolate Mickey shaped pumpkin. The next resort we're going to head to is the Disney's Riviera Resort, the Le Petit Caf. The item here is available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and it's a chocolate cherry coffin. This is biscuit sans farley, milk chocolate mousse and morello cherries, and it's new to the menu and a little bit spooky. Next location, we're heading back into the spooky woods for Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Head right into the Roaring Forks, and this item is available from the 1st of October to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. And the item at this location is the Haunted Forest Apple Mousse. This is a green cake with cookies and cream mousse and a sour apple mousse. Not gonna lie, this is another one of them desserts which just looks amazing. Do you eat it? Do you take pictures of it? Who knows? And our final resort hotel is Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Head into the market at Ale and Compass, where you'll find two items we've already mentioned, the Captain Hook cookie and the Ursula tart. These two items will be available from October the 4th through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. Now, before we move on to the theme parks, please don't forget to smash subscribe and like and share. It really does help the channel. Thank you so much. So the first theme park we're heading into is Disney's Hollywood Studios. Head right over to the ABC commissary, because these items are available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. And the first item is the Spider Web Tart. This is a spiced milk chocolate tart filled with orange curd, pomegranate molasses whipped cream, candied orange peel, and a dark chocolate spider. Then the next two items at this location are beverages. The first drink is a frozen apple cider topped with green apple boba balls. This is non-alcoholic. The next drink is a frozen apple cider whiskey featuring a Crown Royal whiskey, also topped with green apple boba balls. Then the next location at Hollywood Studios is the Backlot Express. The items at this location are available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. Here you'll find two beverages from the last location, but also a graveyard cupcake. This is a fudge-filled chocolate cupcake topped with cookies and cream, buttercream, chocolate cookie tombstones, white chocolate bones, and Halloween sprinkles. The next location is Dockside Dinner at Fairfax Fair. The item at this location is available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. And the item is the Pumpkin Patch Cookie. This is a pumpkin spice snickerdoodle topped with pumpkin spice buttercream and pumpkin candies. If you head over to Hollywood Scoops, you will find a candy corn milkshake, a vanilla and candy corn milkshake topped with orange donut and Halloween sprinkles. This item is available from October the 1st through to the 31st. The next location is Pizza Rizzo. The items here are available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. And the first item is the Halloween Candy Cookie Pizza. This is a sugar cookie pizza topped with strawberry jam, white chocolate, Halloween candy and sprinkles. Then there is 2 beverages at this location which we mentioned before, the frozen apple cider topped with green apple boba balls, and this is non-alcoholic, and the frozen apple cider whiskey featuring Crown Royal whiskey topped with green apple boba balls as well. Now we're going to head over to the brand new Woody's lunchbox for their very first Halloween. The item here is available from October the 1st through to the 31st, and mobile ordering is available. And the item is the pumpkin lunchbox tart. This is a pumpkin pie filled pastry tart with marshmallow fondant, candy corn and Halloween sprinkles. Then the final location here in Hollywood Studios is the popcorn carts near the Grand Avenue, the tip board and the main entrance. Here you'll be able to get your hands on the Halloween Mickey brownie. This is a chocolate brownie with Halloween sprinkles. It's available from October the 1st through to the 31st. Now we're moving over to Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. And the first location is the Kusafiri Coffee Shop and Bakery and Tamu Tamu Refreshments. The item at this location is available from September the 29th through to October the 31st. At these locations you'll be able to get the Halloween Colossal Mickey Cinnamon Roll. I mean, it's exactly what it says on the tin. This is a cinnamon roll in the shape of Mickey with themed icing. I absolutely love cinnamon rolls and I definitely look forward to trying this one out. Then the next restaurant you want to be heading to is Pizzafari and Restaurantosaurus. Here you'll find a Scar Cupcake. This is a delicious red velvet cupcake with toasted marshmallow filling, chocolate frosting, chocolate pebbles, white chocolate flames, and an edible Scar image. This cupcake will be available from October the 16th through to the 31st, mobile ordering available. So now let's head over to Epcot and see what spooky treats awaits us there. First stop is the Connections Cafe, where you'll find a Mickey Halloween League waffle. This is a dark chocolate League waffle with purple and green icing, and it's new to the menu. Mark this one on your calendar because it's only available October the 31st. Then the next location here in Epcot is the Sunshine Seasons. This item is available from October the 28th through to the 31st, and it's the Bat Mousses. This is a tri-coloured layers of candy corn flavoured white chocolate mousses with dark chocolate glaçage and bat wings, and it's new to the menu. Now we're going to leave Epcot and head over to Disney Springs, heading into Deluxe Burger for the Pumpkin Pie Shake. This is a vanilla gelato blend with pumpkin premix, caramel sauce, pumpkin sauce, graham cracker crumbles topped with whipped cream and pumpkin sauce. This is currently available through to November the 23rd and mobile ordering is available. Then one of our favourite places to visit here in Disney Springs is the Ganachery. Here you'll find the Cocoa Ganache squares. Coconut ganache enrobed in dark 65% chocolate. This item is plant-based and available from October the 1st through to November the 2nd. Then available at various quick-serve restaurants and outdoor vending locations throughout Walt Disney World Resort is the glow-in-the-dark Donald Candy Corn Sipper. Check this out, how awesome does it look? So there you have it, all the Halloween treats that have just dropped recently right across Walt Disney World Resort. As always, thank you so much for watching this video today, and for the very latest news and information from around Orlando and Central Florida, keep checking back with us here at Gotta Go Orlando as we keep you informed throughout the day and every day. Make sure to check out our website gottagoorlando.com, as we're always updating it with the latest offers for you to save money here on your vacation. Also, check out below our brand new merch. Please give us a big thumbs up and remember to smash that subscribe, like and share. And all I can really say now is TikTok, gotta go Orlando. And don't forget about these two videos right here.